Okay, triangles part 2. Now here we'll discuss about types of triangles, but we will take sides. Okay, according to sides, these are the three types of triangles. We have first one is equilateral. Equilateral is all the sides are equal. Now what happens is if all the sides are equal, all the angles also will be equal. Okay, so this is equilateral triangle. The second one is isosceles triangle where only two sides are equal. If two sides are equal, their opposite angles also will be equal. Opposite to this side and opposite to this side. These are the two angles that will be equal. And the third is scalene. Scalene is where you have not a single side equal. This side, they're all different. Okay, this could be say 6, this could be 5, this could be 4. All the sides are different. So this is a scalene triangle. So we have equilateral triangle, we have an isosceles triangle, and we have a scalene triangle. Okay, let's try to put uh, measurements here. This could be, let us say, 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters, and 6 centimeters. Okay, here all the angles will be equal. In this we have 7 centimeters, 7 centimeters, and 5 centimeters. So opposite to this angle is equal to opposite of this angle. Okay, so these two angles are equal. These two angles are opposite the equal sides, and here the sides are not equal. You could have this as 3, this as 4, and this as 5. So none of these angles will be equal. Okay, so these are the types of triangles according to the side. Okay, now we see types of triangles according to their angles. Okay, earlier we saw types of triangles according to the sides. Now we are going to see according to the angles. Now if all the angles are less than 90, okay, all the angles are less than 90, then it is called an acute angle triangle. This is also less than 90, this is also less than 90, this is also less than 90. Acute triangle. Now if any one angle is more than 90, 90 is like this is 90. But if it is more than 90, any one angle more than 90, then that triangle is called obtuse triangle. Let us say we have this as 120, okay, this as 30, so 120 and 30 is 150, and then 30 is remaining. So this is the type of triangle we could have, and we could say obtuse. Here we could have say 60, 70 and 60 is 130 and 50. Okay, that is 180. Now, so these are the two types of triangles, obtuse and acute. Now let us see the third one is a right angle triangle where one angle is 90. This is an important triangle. Okay, from this we'll have another method of calculating called Pythagoras. Okay, Pythagoras. And what happens is that one angle is 90, so the others could be 30 and 60, because the two angles here opposite would be 90. If you add this and this, it will be 90, because all the three angles would equal to 180. So these are the three types of triangles according to the according to angles. Okay, so this is types of triangles through sides, which we have already seen here. An equilateral triangle where all the three sides are equal and all the three angles are equal. Isosceles triangles where only the two sides are equal and the angles opposite the sides are also equal. And scalene where no angles are equal and no sides are equal. And let's revise again. Types of triangles according to angles. You can have all the angles less than 90. It could be an acute triangle. One angle more than 90, say 120, 30 and 30. It could be obtuse. And another right angle triangle. Okay, where one of the angles is 90. If one of the angles of 90, then the sum of the other two angles have to be 90, because all the three angles would make 180 degrees.